Learn 100 super useful English sentences.
Be kind. Be kind. Be yourself. Be yourself. Be careful. Be careful. Be modest. Be modest. Be quiet. Be quiet. Be patient. Be patient. Be ready in 5 minutes. Be ready in 5 minutes. Do your homework. Do your homework. Do it now. Do it now. Do something. Do something. Make me a cup of coffee, please. Make me a cup of coffee, please. Make yourself at home. Make yourself at home. Make sure you have everything. Make sure you have everything. Have fun. Have fun. Say it again. Say it again. Get out. Get out. Get your jacket and let's go. Get your jacket and let's go. Bring me something to drink. Bring me something to drink. Go ahead. Go ahead. Take your time. Take your time. Think about it. Think about it. Come with me. Come with me. Come back to me. Come back to me. Give me your number. Give me your number. Look. It's raining. Look. It's raining. Use this bottle once. Use this bottle once. Tell me the truth. Tell me the truth. Put some salt in the food. Put some salt in the food. Leave this town as soon as possible. Leave this town as soon as possible. Ask about anything. Ask about anything. Show some respect. Show some respect. Try this shirt. Try this shirt.